Hi, so in this video we are going to solve another problem with a DSA structure algorithm. Here we are going to understand binary search and how to implement in a question we will learn in this question. So let's understand first what is binary search. Binary search is an efficient searching algorithm used to find a specific value called the target in a sorted list or array. It works by dividing the search range into halves and repeatedly until the target is found or the range becomes empty. So what it does, it typically divides our array into two parts. First, we need to find the middle index, and according to our target value, either we can go to the left side or either we can go to the right side. And this algorithm repeats again and again till the target is found or our array becomes empty. So let's look into the problem statements first. So you are given a sorted array or integers and target value. Use binary search to find the index of target value. If the target is not found, return 1 minus 1. So here I also want to say one thing, that binary search will always work on sorted array. So if you want to use binary search, always make sure that your array is sorted. So let's get started. Here I will use function where I will take two parameters, array and target. Array, the array, and target, which element or number we want to find out in this array. So let's get started. Our first step should be find out the two pointers. Let left index, left index pointer print. So first step is our to initialize our two pointers. As the first one, we will take left index to run our loop from left index to right side. So here I'm initializing our zeroth index to the left index, and the last element or last index should assign to the right index. We are doing this to run our loop from left side or right side. Then we'll run our loop while left index is less than right index or equal to right index. Our loop should run till our left index is less than or equal to right index. Now here one condition will come, that if target value, I missed one step. First we need to find the middle index. That would be the first approach of binary search, or might say second approach. Middle index. Here in JavaScript, always if we want to use division, we will use math.float. Then we will add our two indexes, which is left index and right index. Then we will divide it by 2. First we will add those two indexes and divide it by 2. That's how we will get our middle index. Then one condition will come here, if our target value is equal to array of middle index, then it should simply return middle index. Very simple. So whatever the target we have, if it is equal to our middle index, so it should simply return that index. If not, then if target value is less than array of middle index, so if the target value, if it is less than middle index, we found the middle index of array, and then we are checking that if that target value is less than the array of middle index, so it should go from left side till the middle index only. We don't need to go here because a given target will be not here because it is less than middle index. So if it is less than middle index, then our right side we will initialize it as middle index minus 1. Else, as target is greater than array of middle index, then what will happen? Our left index will update it as middle index plus 1. and this will keep go on until that element will found, or our value will return nothing, or will simply return -1. It will keep go on until this condition will work and it will return middle index. If it will not, then it simply will return -1. -1. I hope you will try run with this code. So let's check if our answer is right or wrong. Yes, so we are getting the output same as our expected output. So I hope you will understand and try run with this code to have better understanding. Binary search is simply to find the middle index first and check if that target value is greater than middle index or less than middle index. If it is less than, then it will go from left side till the middle index. Otherwise, it will go from middle index till the right index or last index of the array. That's how it will work, and these uh, steps will keep go on until our middle index is equal to the target, and this will return as middle index. Otherwise, if it will not, then it will give -1. Try by yourself and use different inputs or targets to have better understanding and do dry runs of this code.